Hello friends, Marisa here with e-manageONE with a quick video on the prospecting tool. Prospecting tool is designed to quickly and efficiently streamline adding a new company into your database. This could be a vendor, a customer, bill to, whatever, maybe install location. So first and foremost, you always want to make sure that the customer does not already exist in your database. So under company, select or type in the company that you're going to be adding or that you're looking for. It does not exist in the database. So move over to New, Prospect, and you'll type in the name of the company and location. So this can be city, can be state, can be city and state if you want to narrow it down. I'm going to put Mansfield, Texas, Mansfield, get results. Here we go. This is the location I'm looking for. Select new company. Once you select new company, it will auto-populate much of the information already in here for you. So as you can see, there's less room for human error, for typos. Now, if this is new construction and the search mechanism, the prospecting tool is not bringing up the address that you desired, you can always override the address here. Like I said, it could be new construction. It is the Google Search API, so you're pulling from Google. After this information is populated, you'll come down to the drop boxes here and select your terms, the specifics, anything that you have here. Let's see, hospitality. You'll see the required with the asterisk. Anything else you see here that's not necessarily required, but you have the information, go ahead and put it in there. The more detailed you can be, the more efficient. You'll hit save. The new company is created. It will auto-populate the salespeople over here. You'll select what salesperson this is going to and the percentage. Easy peasy. And that is how you use the prospecting tool to create a new company.